Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Somebody left me a message on one of my videos. So here is a group of 141 objects. I've got it, and I've got a couple videos on this, and one of them I just found is 3 years old, and I went into a little depth that I didn't need to go. The gentleman wanted to know how you could get one item and move it or whatever from the group. So if you will if you press here, you're going to get all the items. But if you will hold down your control button, now if you look, the corner edit nodes are round, and now you can move it like over here. And when you let go, it's still a group. It didn't ungroup anything. You didn't change anything, but you could just take and hold down the control button and pick that item. And let's say you want to move Jonestown down a little bit. Now it's still a group, so you haven't messed with anything else. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.